What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Jorge Cepeda, and in this video we're doing a nice drop fade, and we're also going to go ahead and fade in the beard. Alright, to get started with the haircut, I will begin to cut the hair with scissors, and just to make it easier for myself, I'm going to go ahead and prep the hair by getting it nice and wet. So once I'm ready to go ahead and cut the top, I like to turn my client towards the mirror and kind of ask them exactly how much they want off the top. Once they confirm how much they want off, I'm going to go ahead and make in my first cut. And that first cut is going to be your guideline for the rest of the haircut on top. So what you want to do is go ahead and follow that guideline all the way to the back and all the way to the sides. So now that I got the top cut down with scissors, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the client around and locate his cowlick. The reason for locating this cowlick is that way I know exactly what direction his hair wants to go naturally. That way when I go in to blow dry it, I know exactly what way to blow dry it and what way the hair wants to lay down. So getting started with the blow dry, I am using a nice little round brush, and with my setting on hot on the blow dryer, I'm going to go ahead and follow the direction that the hair wants to go, just to go ahead and lay it down and also give it volume. Alright, now that the haircut has a little bit of shape on top, we're going to go ahead and begin the fade process. And here I am using my Andis T outliners, the cordless T outliners. And I'm going to go ahead and begin to set in my first guideline, which is the bald guideline. Now I'm using my Wall 5-star shavers to go ahead and begin to bald them out. Now I'm switching over to my cordless seniors with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create a first guideline by going up about an inch. Now with my lever all the way closed, I'm going to go ahead and begin to blend out that bottom line. And for me, I like to use only one clipper for the whole entire haircut, just because like whenever I tend to switch it up a lot using like three clippers on one haircut, I tend to get lost almost all the time. So me, by using one clipper for the whole entire haircut, it makes it a lot more simple and easier to keep track on your steps. Now here I'm going to open my lever halfway and I'm going to finish blending out that bottom line. Now here I'm switching over to my one guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create a guideline by going up about 1.5 inches. I usually do use my half guard right after the no guard all the way open, but in this case my client did have a lot of bulk on the side, so just to go ahead and get rid of the bulk, I am using my number one guard with the lever all the way open. Now here I'm actually going to go ahead and close down my lever all the way, and this isn't going to fully knock out that bottom line, but just to go ahead and start fading it out, like lightening it up, I'm going to go in with the lever all the way closed and just kind of flicking out that bottom line. Now using my half guard and alternating with the lever all the way closed all the way to the open, I'm going to go ahead and finish blending out that bottom line. Alright, so at this point he's pretty much all the way done, you guys. No, I'm just playing. Nah, imagine if I would leave him like that. No, but here I am using my number two guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking down the bulk on the side by going up about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Now using my 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and begin to lighten up that bottom line. Now here I'm going to go ahead and close my lever all the way and start to finish blending out that bottom line. So here I did notice some imperfections like dark spots and stuff like that, so I did go back to my number one guard and just playing with my lever, I'm gonna go in and just kind of clean up any imperfections that I see. Now here using my clipper over comb, I'm going to begin to blend in the fade to the top. Now that the top is pretty much all complete, now to begin fading the beard, I'm going to be using the exact same steps as I did on the fade. Starting with the trimmer to go ahead and begin to set in my bald guideline. Now using my Wall 5-star shaver, I'm going to go ahead and begin to bald him out. Now here I have my lever all the way open, and since I don't really have that much space to work with, I'm only going to be setting my guidelines about 1/2 inch. Now using my number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to go ahead and continue to blend up by going up about 1/2 inch. Now here using the lever all the way open, we're going to continue to blend down, going about 1/4 inch. Now here I'm going to go ahead and begin to blend out that top line, and I have my lever all the way closed with no guard, and I'm going to be going down about 1/4 inch every time. Now continuing to blend with the lever halfway, you want to go ahead and continue to flick out 1/4 inch down. So now here I'm actually going to be using my number 2 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to start blending from the bottom to the top. Now here I'm using the number 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to be alternating it from it all the way closed, just to go ahead and finish blending out that line. To style his hair, I'll be using some Pacino's matte pomade just to go ahead and give the haircut some hold, but not too much shine. Now I did add a little bit of topic to his hairline just to go ahead and make the haircut just stand out that much more. But that's pretty much the cut. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and also hit that little bell right next to it just so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. But that's it for this video, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.